What's going on? Hey, if you are trying to really boost your search engine optimization, your SEO online, and you have a website or a blog where you want to really lean into creating content and really pull in and attract your ideal client, your ideal avatar, then this video is for you because I'm going to walk you through how you can leverage AI, more specifically ChatGPT, to basically create content for you at a very high mass scale that you can then use to create blog posts, to then essentially create little, I don't know, little breadcrumbs across the internet where people can find you, find their way organically back to your website, and ideally become leads for you. So I'm Jared Larkin. I'm with Chicago Title. I teach a ton of classes on real estate marketing in the real estate space. Of course, I also teach stuff on title insurance, but today we're going to talk about specifically this topic. I've been leaning into this very, very much so now for a while, and I am leveraging it, and I'm very excited about it. I'm going to show you how you can do it. I work with a lot of real estate professionals. I'm going to lean on how you can do this as a real estate professional, more specifically a real estate agent. So let me show you how to do it right now. So you can see here, this is actually my blog. I've got blogs going and scheduled out over and over. I use a platform called Wix where my website is built on. You can see here I've got over 170 blog posts already scheduled out. I'm scheduling out 4 per week just into the future, and I'm actually paying someone locally here in the Denver market to actually do this for me and create all of these blog posts. So if you need a contact to help you with this and you're here in Denver, Colorado, reach out to me. I might have someone for you who can help you out. But basically what this looks like is you're going to use ChatGPT to create all of this content. And of course, with AI, with ChatGPT, all this stuff, the input, what you type and what you put into the prompt is going to directly affect the output. So what you say is going to affect the results that you get. So the more specific you are, the better results you are. So fortunately for you, I've got a great little download here, a little prompt that you can download and use. Huge shout out though, I can't take credit for this. This is a huge shout out to Jason Pantana and the Tom Ferry team who shared this with me. I'll leave a link down below. You can download this. But basically what this is a template that you can use specifically as a real estate agent that you can actually create into your own and then upload into ChatGPT to create prompts, to create blog posts for your market, for your area, for your target audience. But you can see here, basically it's a 2-page document, and it really rolls through what is the role, what is the specific assignment, and who is ChatGPT supposed to be, right? We want them to be an expert in the category of being an SEO expert when it comes to blogging and creating content, right? And then we give them a very specific task. And what's great is we give them a task where we can actually upload documents and we can have them lean into those documents and create content based off of what we're using. So you can see here on this document, the goal is to basically be an SEO expert, and then they're going to create blog posts based off of all this stuff. And step 1 is, of course, leaning into this. Step 2, though, is to figure out who your avatar is and where you're going to target all of your SEO content. And you can use that and create that through a website called AnswerThePublic.com. So AnswerThePublic.com is basically a ranking of keywords, whether you're on Google, Bing, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, Instagram. And for us specifically, we're going to lean into Google topics. So for example, down here, you can see my past searches. I could type in title insurance company, because I'm with Chicago Title. If you're a real estate agent, you could type in sell my home, buy my home, right? So let's just pretend selling a home. We type that in on Google, and now it's going to give us a ranked list of all of the key search terms, long tail keywords that have been used for anyone looking to sell their home. And we're going to basically take this list, download the list into a spreadsheet, into a document, and then we're going to upload it into ChatGPT. So you can see here it gave me 880 results. I can select all of these results, right? I can then go ahead and download them. Actually, I think it's over here on this side. I'm going to make this smaller. Yeah, I can download as a CSV file right here, okay? And then I'm going to take that file after I download it, I'm going to upload it into ChatGPT. So once we've done that, we've basically pulled in these vague search results such as selling a home, buying a home. We then can go over into ChatGPT, which is over here, and you can see I've already done this. So what I did, of course, I'm in title insurance. I uploaded my CSV file with all the title insurance terms because I'm trying to take over that SEO and those keywords for my market here in Denver, Colorado. And all I did was I took this list, I created anything in bold here. I just created it and filled it in for my name, for my company, for my information, Jared Larkin, Chicago title, Denver, Colorado, right? It's a 2-page prompt. You can use actually the prompt on the second one's even a longer one, which is the one that I used. And it just literally tells ChatGPT exactly what to do. So you'll do that. You'll fill it all in to create your own document for this prompt. You'll then paste it in here with the document from Answer the Public, as you can see here. And then I went ahead and did that. And now it's going to go through and it's going to start to basically figure out what's getting searched, what are the most popular search terms. And then through doing that, it's going to analyze all the data, and then it will spit out blog posts, right? Now, the default is it says write 52 search optimized blog posts. Me, I like to really lean into things. I went ahead and had it do actually 400. We tried out 52, then I popped it up to 400. So here they are, right? And then literally one by one, I ask it, hey, all right, create this blog post now for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. And it just goes through one by one. So past all of these 400 blog posts, you'll start to see that it starts to put out all the content, right? And then in addition to that, it can also put in the metadata that I can use to put in my blog. And then one by one, I also say, hey, create an image for this blog post that I can use. So what I did was I just did this on repeat. You can see it's just going. And then what we're doing is we're going to go over to whatever website or CRM or system that we use to host our blog posts. For me, it's Wix.com. We can then go ahead and create this blog post, start to fill in the information, the title, the blog post, the metadata, upload the image, as you can see here, and then start to schedule these out, okay? Me, I'm aggressive when I do things. I'm scheduling out 4 per week into the future. You do whatever you want to do, but my goal is to just take over all of the key terms for title insurance in Denver, Colorado, in that market. But this is a walkthrough on how to do that. I'm Jared Larkin with Chicago Title. Again, if you want to download this document right here, you can click the link. I'll have it down below. You can take it, make it your own. Again, shout out to Jason Pantana. All credit goes to him and the Tom Berry team. And if you have any questions on this or how to really lean into this more, or really any questions when it comes to marketing your business, more specifically in the real estate space, I'd love to have a conversation with you. Happy to help. If you'd like to come to any of my upcoming classes, I host classes and events. I do about 5 to 7 every single month here in the Front Range of Colorado. Sign up on my website. I'll send you a weekly email with real estate tips, resources, marketing ideas, as well as exclusive invites to classes and events that I host here in this space. But I'm Jared Larkin, Chicago Title. Last but not least, if you do have any sort of transaction and you want to get a quote or interested in working with us here at Chicago Title, we'd love to work with you. Of course, please reach out to me. Would love to have a conversation. All right, take care. Bye.